In this video, I'll be taking you on how to make announcements to the class, how to post, and how to chat with fellow lecturers or students. So to make announcements, you would make announcements under the post section. Meanwhile, this is when you click on activity, this shows all the activities that have taken place since inception of the class. However, before you go ahead to make announcements or upload any folders, always ensure that you're in the right classroom. So for example, you go to your Teams, click on Teams, and then click on the appropriate one. So if you want to make an announcement for ACC 206, so this will ensure that you're getting across to the right audience. So to make an announcement, I can say all students should prepare for a quiz on Monday, 27th of April. Okay. So I can also make this message priority. I can mark as important by clicking on format. Here I can format it, I can make it bold. Basically, most of the things you can do on Microsoft Word. I can change the font, I can underline it. So I can mark as important by clicking more options. Mark as important. So that we have marked the message as important. I can name it test or quiz as quiz announcement. So then I send. So that we have made an announcement to the students, and it's been ticked as announcement. I can also post other things like check study all topics. I can also delete my posts. I can edit my post, I can delete, I can do several things. So the message has been deleted. I can undo delete. Let's delete this again. You can, under the post section, you can also do several things that you could have done under this section. So for example, you can, like I mentioned before, you can upload files directly under the post section. You can upload a file. New topic. So I can also, taken how to upload the file before, but this is just another way of uploading the file. I can also meet now, that's create a video chat and video call with someone, with another lecturer. So as mentioned before, it is also important to note that if you upload files under the files section, for example, previously uploaded files, it's good to, if you upload files under the class material section, it's always good to come here and post it that a new file has been uploaded under the file section, just to notify the students in another way to ensure that they get to check the file section. So in the next video, I'll be talking about how to chat with other lecturers or students.